Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we got a 2026 Ford F-450 Platinum Plus. So the color on this truck is Avalanche Gray, and in our opinion, the best color to go with that is matte black. So we've got a ton of it on this truck. So our front bumper, we've got our Alpha Series with a worn 16.5 winch with the synthetic rope. We've also got our Commander here. It's all textured black powder coat. For the lights in the front, we've got our 20-inch rigids here, and then we've got our 4-inch rigids in the wings. We also have a pair of Monster Hook Reapers. They're also in matte black. Customer wanted us to get rid of all the chrome, so we sent the headlights out to Eco Tint. So what's normally chrome here is actually the Avalanche Gray, and it's got some black highlights as well. And then we popped out the chrome grille, and Ron did his magic. We got matte black here, as well as some color coordination on the Ford emblem. So the suspension kit on this truck is our 3-inch kit with our radius arms. The radius arms, we're pushing the axle forward about 3/4 of an inch. That gives us more room for clearance on these larger tires. We've also got our steering stabilizer kit with Raptor shocks. The wheel and tire combination is 37 by 12, 5 by 22 Nitto Ridge Grapplers and American Force wheels. We also removed the side fender badges and painted the F-450 Avalanche Gray. We also added the Kelderman logo. A couple other chrome deleted items were the caps on the mirrors, as well as the chrome stripe on the retractable steps. So the rear suspension on the 3-inch kits is actually our stock height. We just run the airbag about 1 inch over height. We don't lose any ride quality. The airbags have a working range that as long as we keep it in there, you're going to get that phenomenal ride. We've also, just like the front, have our remote resi Raptor shocks. And we also have a large sway bar on the back of this, so whether he's going to put a slide-in camper in here or a gooseneck fifth wheel, whatever he's going to haul in this truck, you know, you buy a 450 because you're hauling heavy loads, and that's what this suspension is going to do. Give you a good ride when you're empty and an awesome ride when you're loaded. So the rear bumper is our Delta Series. It's got the step right here. It's got a little Avalanche Gray backing plate behind the Circle K. We've got our matching monster hooks here. We've got our 4-inch rigids for backing up so you can see where the hell you're going. And just like the front, it's textured powder coat. So since we're getting rid of all the chrome and silver on this truck, we painted the back panel, you guessed it, matte black. So for the air controls on this truck, we're using our 3H system. We got 2 Viair 444 compressors. We've got an air dryer on this system that's going to keep the moisture out. This truck's going to Utah, so he's going to be in snow and ice and freezing temperatures. We also have 2 3-gallon tanks, which we make here in-house now. And then we've also got our air chuck underneath here. So you get yourself an air hose. You can top off your tires if they're a little bit low. No need to be looking at that TPMS low air sensor when you're driving, when you can just grab your air chuck and air up your tires on the go. Also handy for when you're out there camping, bicycles, side-by-sides. Man, when you have air on your truck, you'll never get used to not having it. And of course, when you have a big badass truck like this, no truck's complete without those horn blaster air horns. So we make this really cool 3D printed mount here for our 3H. We put the screen up here. We've got our dryer purge right here. And we've got our button for the train horn. So it used to be we had ramp mounts and, you know, we just kind of mount it wherever. But now we take out that existing OEM sunglass case that very rarely is used. Get rid of that, put our mount up here, and now you've got your 3H plumbed up here out of the way. It's really easy to use this. 99% of the time, though, you're going to be at this the airlift position button here is your right height. Now, if we go up here and we hit this top button, you'll see the triangles go up. Well, that means your truck's going to go up. That's showing what the airbags are going to do. You know, they're going up. You know, on the way up, boom, you'll hear the compressors turn on as it's starting to fill the tank. Right there's your tank pressure. You can see 95, 96, 97. So that's going to shut off when you get to 149 PSI. We hit this bottom button, it's going to show all the triangles go down. So that means the airbags are going to go down when we hit that button. So the front goes down a little faster because you got the engine weight. The back doesn't have as much weight, so it takes a little bit longer. So there we're down to the bottom, and then I can hit the airlift button again. Shows you they're going to be in the middle. And there we are. We're at ride height. It's that easy to use. So if you've been following us, you've been seeing quite a few of these Avalanche gray trucks roll out of here the last few months. I tell you what, black used to be my favorite color truck, but the way this gray matches up with matte black, I tell you what, man, there's a reason so many have been coming through here, because they just look awesome. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate the support. You can follow us on our social media platforms listed right here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And most importantly, hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. If you're interested in giving your truck the Kelderman edge, give us a ring or email us at info@kelderman.com. It's good for short guys like us that can't get our foot up there. That sound right?
Yeah.
Okay. Never get used to not having this. No, you'll never not want. Yeah, you'll never get used to it. Okay. All right.
All right.
All right. All right.